Press the pneumatic connector lightly downward and pull out the tube. Remove the upper cover of the filament feeding module. Unplug the wiring. Unscrew the 2 screws that fix the buffer. Take out the buffer. Install the new buffer. Tighten the 2 screws that fix the buffer. Plug in the wiring. Install the upper cover of the filament feeding module. Install the tube.